Dash 10/26 dash.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to to protect your soul.
What's going on, everybody? How we doing?
If you go to the gym and you work out and you come back and you look in the mirror, you will see nothing. And if you go to the gym the next day and you come back and you look in the mirror, you will see nothing. So clearly there's no results, can't be measured, it must not be effective. So we quit. Or if you fundamentally believe that this is the right course of action and you stick with it, you commit yourself to an act of service. You commit yourself to the regime, the exercise. You can screw it up. You can eat chocolate cake one day, you can skip a day or two, but if you stick with it consistently, I'm not exactly sure what day, but I know you'll start getting into shape. Going to the gym for 9 hours does not get you into shape. Working out every day for 20 minutes gets you into shape. It's not about the events. It's not about intensity. It's about consistency. If you go to the gym and you work out and you come...
Excuse me. Those are some wise words. Morning, Looney. Good morning, AJ. Good morning, Jag.
Away we go. You just made it.
Distracted.
Oh, that was what down the wrong hole. Oh, that like hurt. It like spun as it went down. I do feel a little better today. Not great, but
PDD's doing PDD things.
I've been having this issue pretty much since this started on Friday where it feels like I need to poop, but I can't. Very weird. Now I got that weird feeling like it's like stuck in there.
CHX earnings.
I just got out
Some
of
will
AMD, man. I
OEPIN.
chased that thing a little bit. Alright, there. I expected it to pop here. Oh shit, I'm trading off 5 minute. I am on crack.
Can I get some?
That's why it didn't feel like I was chasing it. Oh, no, this on the 1 minute looks better. Fucking A. That's
EDD making a move.
Dude, on the 5 minute, it looked like I was chasing that so hard. On the 1 minute, it looks unreasonable.
What ticker are you talking about?
AMD. It ended at around 55.50. Got it at the bottom. Now it's popping. That's good. Keep an eye on that.
It's like the worst feeling ever, man.
HLX up.
How?
Watching PDD.
Same shit. Another day. No volume.
What's that on Neo?
So many charts that look good. The volume's just shit.
PA Boeing, Lion Air
Why with the nice little push?
Boeing 737 made an emergency landing after the left engine caught fire. That's from Aviatron,
HLX in, CHX in.
reported by airlive.net. That's Bravo Alpha.
Man, he looks weak as fuck. She watched
GPIX taking some off.
No, I'm
EDU
in
earnings.
HLX. You don't want to look at it though. There's no volume in it.
crap, dude. I hate it when it sneaks up on me. Hang on, I'll spit it through that.
Actually, I'm out.
Tall up.
There. Actually,
Rominer?
should have stayed in it, but that's all right. I just didn't like the way it was kind of
HLX
hanging
dollar.
out. Now it's just gonna die.
Okay, I'm gonna switch over my freaking scanners.
I'm gonna get out.
Right. One scanner, one alert on my scanner. That doesn't make sense.
Just keep chugging, just keep chugging.
I guess I got out of the right one. Okay. Uh-oh.
What was that other one? Just looking at. They all felt like they were good moves, but none of them were on any kind of volume. Volume on these is so bad.
EDU could get interesting. Wish it had a little more volume, but it's got over
Yeah.
700.
Yeah, I have
Terrible.
that one up. Spready too.
Yep.
And out of AMD break even.
Ukraine's
on the rest
defense
of that.
minister says he personally does not believe Putin would use nuclear weapons.
I'm a little nervous AMD could take off.
I can't believe that Microsoft's getting killed so bad after making earnings.
Integra Life Sciences halted on its circuit breaker.
It's down 20
Going
bucks.
down
Big freaking wick to the
company
downside
reported
on
their earnings.
AMD, dude.
earlier.
Let me see.
And just that 30-cent wick.
USEA
down,
and
that's
TV.
That got me out, dude. I was like, I
Now
don't
at
like that.
46.94, trading up 5.25%, hit a high of $50.41.
Honestly, I made more today than I did yesterday, so. Not that I made a lot yesterday. Or today.
That's India Alpha Romeo Tango shares halted on a circuit breaker.
TGC's moving. Not a ton, but it's moving. And there's a lot of
Shares of
volume.
Tesla spiking here to the highs,
What's
224.85,
the stock?
up about 1%.
CGC.
Tango Sandy Lima
Rapid
Alpha.
growth, huh?
Yeah. There's not a lot of range in it, but look at freaking PDD.
What is lurking from that
There's,
now? Neo.
FISK resumed trading.
EDU on earnings PSA.
Snap.
Not in it.
PDD. Everything's moving up. Jeez.
Yeah, SPY just going a little bit now.
And AMD just took off too. Looks like traded it pretty well. Still think that should be down, but
Snaps
Right.
going on.
FPCH, far-fetched with some heavy option
Dang,
activity.
I was gonna try to get an EDU on the ask there, but I don't think I would have got filled anyway.
Foxtrot Tango Charlie Hotel.
Spread was like 20 cents up top.
The July, correct me, January 9th
Yeah.
falls active in
That
FPCH.
would have worked nice then. That? That?
Yeah, I just pulled that one up.
That?
Like more though.
Yeah, look at the volume. It's just
Oh.
so bad. That's why I haven't jumped into like half of these, because the volume is just so bad. Of course, they all would have worked.
Alright, let's see. PDD is not 25%.
Oh, shit.
well, you tried to get into that and got fucked.
I tried to get the max size at the top and got fucked.
Oh shit. Are you still on it?
No, I'm out green, but my average should have been up by 1560. My average was 1550, so I made shit on it.
What stock you talking about?
He said
PDD.
named 50, not 15.
Sounded like you said 15, didn't it?
Well, yeah, but I think he meant 50.
I meant 50. It might sound like 15 because I'm a little stressed right now.
I was very confused, Ed, because I'm like, I swear he said PDD, but
Like it was a good exit, Thomas.
she said she wanted to go higher.
I got blessed in because that was frustrating.
Would have been nice, obviously, to get the bigger size since it worked, but take out through the highs there.
I wanted to get back in for that fake out, but it's like same going through my head. You know, how many shares can I get? How far can I protect myself?
PCVX up, nibble. EPIX trail.
I did a little bit of a tanking.
What else are we watching? Chicken levels.
Nothing with any volume. Right?
GD General Dynamics says
Snapped and Leo. Look like
company
they're gonna
received first order related to the Ukraine
I
and
was looking at Snap.
attempt something today.
That's Golf
I just
Delta.
don't want. It needs to be so much higher.
No, I know. I think it might go higher.
Yeah, I don't like where the line is.
Kind of bullish.
Well, AMD
Tesla
just
Roddy
spiked up
reporting
again out
multiple
of the
Tesla
blue.
semis were spotted leaving Gigafactory Nevada on Tuesday.
It's rare to hear me saying
Tango
bullish
Sandy
on
Lima
those
Alpha.
lately, but Snap's kind of hard to deny.
Shares of Tesla Off the highs now, up about 1.5%. Tango
That
San
one I
Diego
don't.
Alpha.
Oh, it says
Look,
25%
it's
too.
so small.
It's a good old
Can't
spread.
believe PDD isn't freaking 25%. So you got all the way to your last ad on that, Thomas?
Yeah.
So it's got to be still
Yeah.
decent. And then there's some more
RUM
expensive
Rumble
stuff.
videos, tweeting all services have been
It's not
restored.
one of those like
Roman
60%
uniform,
or
Michael.
something stupid.
Yeah, because even if it was up higher than 25, 50%, I could see getting rejected because that's pushing my limit of $50 stock.
Yeah, the stock is a little pricier than you are
Earlier,
fully comfortable.
Rumble reported
with.
But if I'd probably have to go do the math to be honest with you, D, because I think 60 is my limit at full buying power. So take out 25% of it. That might be it, dude. It might be correct.
Yeah. Well, you're saying the 25, the normal might be correct. What the fuck is this thing doing? I definitely want more trades than that. AMD back up to the highs. What up, girl? And the SPY down to the lows. What?
Yeah, but I
What's
follow
going
the
on?
SPY
I'm
today.
so confused. Supposedly the first semiconductor company reported, or is reporting or something, so that's gonna make these a little different. But it definitely is not following the SPY today, it's just all over the map.
Yeah, I mean, if you zoom out on the charts, they still look pretty similar.
Well, I mean, it has news though, so it is
Yeah.
different. There's actually something. Right.
Snap and PDD look very similar.
coming up at 10 a.m. New home
They
sales
do,
for
man. Like
September,
shockingly.
Yeah, that's just weird.
585,000 minus 13.9% expected.
We
HLX
know
out
they have
all.
nothing to do with each other.
Are you talking about just today? Because yesterday they look very different.
No, it's just like
That's
right
just
now.
today.
It's open.
Both gone straight up.
Also coming up
Sorry.
at 10 a.m. the Bank of Canada rate decision.
Gee, did. Oh, snappity, snappity. Why you no pull back? I'm not playing that game with Snap, man.
No.
Kinda wanted a pullback on that one, dude. Long it. Just said, nah, I'm just gonna wait for the 9 to catch up and I'm gonna take off from here. Fuck you all. What else you watching, Jaggy Jag?
I was watching NVTA, but it sucks.
That was the most delayed ticker call out ever. NVTA.
I forgot the letters.
Money is running a bit today on lighter volume. Don't like the way that chart looks though. Oof. What's this? Crappy looking charts.
Yeah.
PCVX ads, looking for the wash.
Snap's one of those that I kind of assumed would go up today, but I don't got the balls to take those things just on that punch. Not yet.
CHX dollar.
Something that could just continue a little bit smoothly.
What's that?
That's not gonna happen.
Nia's another one, man. I had my eyes on that one for a long, but let's see what that shit. After it made that low, buying it over 1050 or so, risk on 1039, 1038. I'll get it one day.
Big co-earnings. Being careful there.
Dude, if you don't trade in that first 10 minutes for longs, shit goes sideways the rest of the day.
If ASAN had any volume in it, it would be interesting. Only got 350.
Sun.
ASAN. Asana. Over 2250, but it's never gonna get there with the volume, so if it is, it's gonna be very slow getting there.
EDD setting up for you again there, Thomas.
Good enough.
Watching PCVX.
PCVX.
Order filled.
That could.
Yeah, just like a starter.
It's got some volume too, so that's a plus.
Starter PCVX.
Was that move up pretty quick, Tim?
Yeah, from I think 38.20 to 38.90. Pretty solid move. I was trying to wait for through 39, which looks like I could have, but it seemed like it was kind of jiggling there right under it.
He's still not up.
Suck.
AMD.
Look at that. Let me see if that. Oh, damn, girl. Why are you being so aggressive? That's interesting. I hadn't traded sloppy earlier, didn't I? I don't know if I dig that. Traded that chop pretty decent, but no, didn't like that. Look how choppy this buy got. That's crazy.
Yep.
Like tight range chop. And I haven't seen that in a minute.
Carrot.
Ooh.
.50 test please.
Neo in either direction, unfortunately.
Looking more for 38 test myself.
It's like your PCVX is
Even better LOL.
Yeah.
Yeah, just chilling. I didn't get an ad. I was looking for up through 39.50 for the ad, but I mean, I'm still fine. I'm at 91.
Can break through that 9.
That's kind of the key right there.
I don't even know where that is.
It's 38. 38.
Where it bounced.
Yeah.
39.65ish looks like right now.
Yeah.
Trying to get below it, they're trying to buy it up. Trying to get below it, try to buy it up.
That was a little spready on you too, huh, Tim?
Yeah.
Dude, when Tim first called that one out, I saw like I didn't say anything, but there was like something like a 55-cent spread on it, and I was like, nope.
It's gonna break them right here.
It cleared up, but I can
Yeah.
see that. I hate that shit.
There
I don't
we
really
go.
mind it too much.
You know, I
As long as I get in on the ask.
Yeah.
I hit short and it's gonna go against me.
There you go. There you go.
Buyers are gonna be like, we wanted
Dollar.
it 40.
Sitting at 28. Of course. I went to what, 34? 30. Well, it says 39. I saw 34 on the bid, but
PCVX dollar on way.
Brian. Jeez. Bought that shit right up.
Snap's starting to break down.
I really start to think you both are front running me.
EDD has gone sideways.
Talking all EPIX.
Which is kind of
Order
bullish
cancelled.
signal.
LOL. Asterisk taking.
Bid was through me there for a sec.
Coming up in 3 minutes, new home sales for September plus 585,000 expected, minus 13.9% for September, and the Bank of Canada interest rate decision coming up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time in less than 3 minutes now. Letter F, Ford exits Solar's Ford joint venture in Russia following 7 months suspension of operation.
You see that? That's
letter
crazy
F.
jump right there. I guess
HLX 6.20 would be nice.
it's getting ready to break down through 30 and then all of a sudden it's at 50. It sucks, man.
Still
Liquidity,
have
I
small
guess.
size there.
It's like, let it break down. I'm sitting right at 28. It goes to 30 and then does that. You know, the moment that I take some off, it's gonna do that crap. Anyway, I'm trying to be patient. I thought that was gonna be it there. I thought it was gonna blast down to 30.
Order filled.
LNTPCVX.
S&P futures are dipping here now.
Oh shit.
What?
Call me an idiot, dude. I drew out fibs on that PCVX. Guess where we topped out at? I drew these out earlier. Like I just forgot about that one. I didn't put it on my watch list. I don't know why I didn't put this one on my watch list. I didn't even write it down. I didn't think it was going to do anything. Sweet.
Bank of Canada.
Dang, now the SPY's going crazy to the upside. Whoa.
Is it really?
Yeah. The heck? Yeah, it's acting like a low floater.
Oh yeah, damn. Quite the wick it had.
First new home sales, September single-family home sales, 600,000, consensus 585,000.
Yeah, release some
see
kind of
those yet?
consensus.
Minus 10.9% versus previous plus 28.8.
I'm so sorry, guys, for freaking coughing in your
Bank of Canada,
ears.
overnight rate.
Is it
target of
possible to
50 basis
portray your
points,
technical edge to hedge fund or
3.75%.
investment bank? Just use it in their portfolio and get percentage.
S&P futures now spiking
There's nothing
here.
really proprietary, I guess, about what I'm doing. I mean, there's no reason that I feel like anyone can do what I'm doing. It's just a matter of figuring out how to read price action.
Really love PCDX to stay under 50 right here.
Look at the freaking spot. 384s.
Like straight up too.
Yeah.
PDD, not a huge position.
You long PDD.
I'm long PDD.
Nice. Long the P diddle diddle.
IBM
Yeah, Thomas, I was
aerospace,
expecting more of a push down
collaborate
towards like
on next generation
3750 on
space
this one.
technology and software platforms
Yeah.
that
That's what I normally would take because of the lines, 37.46. But I have a take profit at 37.10 right now.
PCVX trails.
Ryan had to have whacked the crap out of it up over 39. Because he started this thing down at like 37, and he almost had his average up near the top.
Carrot.
Order filled.
Not being greedy. I took
Another lock
it off,
PCVX.
'cause I'm a little bitch.
Decent trail size on it. Lot.
It's coming down kind of harshly. fuck? Shifty all over the place. This tomorrow. What do you got up, Jag?
Nothing.
It's a ticket.
I will keep some as swing too. Just
Not a good
PSA.
ticker.
I should look at it.
Decent daily for fade, but bigger coke. Could keep going.
NUTN. Nothing.
Nothing.
Shopify making a move.
Little shop before
Shop
I
decent
run.
move.
I'm just happy I got a few little trades in. Let's let the volume come back now, please. I'm definitely not going to try to get 3,000 shares of
HES,
PDD.
Hess says global oil demand will grow by
I'm not
1
too
million
concerned
barrels per
about that,
day in
actually.
2023. That's Hotel Echo Sandy, HES.
Neo's trying to go back up. What are you watching, Jag? Nothing still?
No. Kind of poking around, trying to find some I like.
I was a big push up. Still below yesterday's high though.
Reject right here, pitch and slam down.
Down to leftovers, or you still have
No.
decent size?
PCVX.
Still on that.
Veru my kryptonited moving.
I'm riding leftovers.
Is
This is
asterisk.
definitely where you'd want to see it. I'm with you on that. You'd want to see the slam be like 37.60 or so, huh?
That's on
Yeah.
the no trade
Or if
list
you go
for
straight
me.
to 37.10 and take me out, that would be totally awesome.
We don't want to see it hold. That thing's a weird looking chart, man. Had that weird gap up from 20 bucks to like 30 something.
Yeah, it just keeps trying to push higher too.
I feel like that just throws me for a loop. I don't know. If something caused that, I don't know what to do with that type of stuff. Unless it's something I watch every day. Yo, what girl? You've been all over the place too today.
Veru, go away.
That is the ugly intraday candles. Those last two on PCBX. There's fucking nothing there, dude.
What's that?
The last two candles on PCBX, they're like nothing. It didn't even freaking move.
On a daily?
On the daily's garbage. But on a
Yeah.
2-minute, there's like the last two candles, there's just no volume. It's like the candles are tiny.
I gotcha. What you gonna do, bad boys, bad boys? Sorry.
Just made a little on Kano.
That one was being stupid.
It still was, but then it had a nice little pop, and it filled me like shit. It filled me like 8 cents less, but then it dropped, so I just got out. I just don't trust it to keep going lower, but it probably is going to now. Make me look stupid.
Yeah, I pulled it up and it kept whipsawing up there, 420 down to 4, 420 down to 4.
Yeah, so it popped through it, and I clicked it, and I thought I was going to get like 425, 426, but nope, 419.
MBLY shares are quoting now. Michael Bravolina Yankee, Mobileye.
Go we, baby. You doing it? Go we.
Baby.
What's your average in that, Thomas?
39.21.
Damn, son. Top tick much?
Because you're like just under 39.
Top tick, it was at 38.98 was the high. Wait, that can't be right. Why did it do that? 39.41.
What chart are you looking at?
You smoking crack, bro.
Dude, why did the chart do that?
How would your average be above 39 if you never got over
just
39?
fucking good, dude. Damn, the black market, y'all caught me.
Knew something was going on. You're trading that dark pool, aren't you?
Yep. I'd love to see this next candle open at 37.90-ish.
Back. I would like more traders. You're talking about that one that went up?
But yeah, you know, I got the retracement lines on. So the 38 is at 37.92.
Yeah, your retracement lines.
What is it at?
The next retracement line is 37.92.
You mean right where it bounced?
See?
PACB
Wow.
off.
Word.
Needs some speed.
And it topped out at my 100% fib increase. What? This is crazy. This doesn't really work. You're a liar.
It's almost like it isn't a coincidence.
That was perfect comments. Stop fibbing.
Stop fibbing. That's a good one.
That could go on a t-shirt.
For sure.
Frog would expect royalties.
Ooh, BZ got a nice shape to it. I'm liking that.
BZ. Let's grind him up though.
Nice shape, low volume.
BZ.
Get a nice pop to 13.
Jag's seeing it. He's seeing the potential.
Yeah, good thought. Sounds possible. Uh-oh. Let me guess, Thomas, you're out over that 38.50-ish area?
Yeah, the stop loss is at 38.59. I gave it almost 10 cents.
Okay. Yeah, because I do those fib ones too, and I'm like, that's your other one. It gets over there, you're not gonna like you.
Actually, I've been holding 38.59 with all those tests that you see right there.
Oh, that was your stop losses. Hold on, was popping.
Yep. Once it broke under,
Got you.
that's where I put it at.
Came within 3 cents, it looks like. Once. He was trying to get you. Wow, that BZ looks like it's frozen.
Yep.
Yeah.
She's like, okay, I don't know if I can do any more. It climbed up very high.
Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Gotta make
And BZ falls off the cliff.
yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself, I'm too
One day.
Dag, are you in it?
Oh, damn. Look at BZ. Said, hey, I'm done up here.
Oh, massive, you're in it.
There's no reason to get in there, though.
There's a reason.
Autofilled.
Just got stopped out of PCBX.
Yep. And I got slippage.
Oh yeah, I did too. 10 cents. Damn.
Yep.
All out PCVX.
Looks like it's going. Kano's going to go to high. The way it's moving. I mean, PCDX. Sorry.
BD looks like a choppy piece of shit. BD. IBK. out of curiosity, Thomas, do you take a little piece out at that? What is that? 38, whatever, 2 bib line?
Nah, I took out before that. I'd have to redraw 'em. I took, yeah.
Well, you know, it was the bottom of the move. I'm just wondering if you take out when you see it hit them, or thought process is that. Might not be a horrible idea. Take out like a small amount when it gets to the first one, breaks through, you wait for the next one, breaks through that, have the UAP. And then you can just let the rest ride or whatever you want to do. Take all out. Your world, man. I'm just living in it.
So I took it out after it broke the high. I took some off after it took below the whole dollar, and then the next candle I took another 25% off. So I was already out 75% of my position.
Okay.
So I was.
It's interesting. Like if you draw them even on like Snap, you know, kind of dipped below that first one, then tried to hold the next one, which was also VWAP, and I tried to hold the next one, and now all of them, so it's probably just gonna go back on, but it's interesting that they do seem to be like, kind of like my extensions. When it breaks through one, you kind of can imagine it's gonna get to the next. When they break down through one, you can kind of imagine it's gonna get to the next. I think if I were to use them, I would.
HES says expects Guyana Q4
like
net production
Yeah,
above
it's
previous estimates.
basically the half of your extensions.
Teleco Sandy.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, look at BZ. It's all the way back up.
There's a Hess just off the highs now, 141.75, up 4.5%.
Guess you should have
Their
longed it.
earnings report.
Yeah,
Company's earnings call going
should
on
have longed it
now.
off the drop.
That's Hotel Echo Sandy, HES.
Way to just switch up the whole plan, Jag. Should have long that. What the fuck? I don't like these colors. You know what I don't like about those fib retracements, though?
What?
Like, if you really put them all on there, there's just too many damn lines.
You can take them off. Yeah.
I know. Yeah, I know. That's what I end up doing is fudging with them, but the fib extensions, you know, they're so spread out that it doesn't, like, you know, as long as you have a good extension somewhere in there.
NBLY, Mobileye
They don't, like,
indicating
plug up the
$27. Michael Bravo Lima Yankee.
Obviously, those fib retracements, every line you have is on the chart.
EPIX. Reiterating, Piper Sandler reiterating overweight and $20 price target. That's Echo Papa India X-ray. Mobileye shares priced at $21 now, indicating $27. That's Michael Bravo Lima Yankee.
PDD trying to push a little bit.
Which one?
PDD.
Oh, yeah.
Running right into the 200 on the daily. It's kind of hard for me to long that.
PCVX, high day.
Now indicating $25. NBLY, Michael Bravo Lima Yankee.
Wing if you got them and you want them. It's $160 though.
I'm not even looking.
You know you ain't trading that, Tom.
It's only up right now $4 from the last thing. PDD's grinding up. AMD's making a move with the SPY right now.
Yeah, SPY's moving.
Yeah.
Tiny loss on PDD. I'm all out now. If it grinds above 52.50. Oh man, this thing's gonna be really fucking loud.
CBNA's got a nice move with the SPY.
Who is? AMD?
CBNA. Carvana.
The CBNA. AMD still looks like it just doesn't want to be at the highs. I don't know what's up with that fucking thing today. It's gotta be to do with the earnings. CBNA looks like it's moving with the SPY for sure. Stop being everything. Yeah, this morning AMD reports this week sometime. Oh man, I gotta pee pee.
Nice seems toppy. PDD asterisk. Not sure where nice came from, LOL. LILM 175K.
Crude oil crude oil inventories 2.588 million versus the 1.029 million expected. Crude oil imports, a draw of 0.719 million.
Right, boys. What you watching, Jaggy?
EPIX. You don't want to look at it though.
Maybe I do. Nope, I don't. What are you watching it for?
310.
To short
You have
it?
shares on that?
That one is HTB for me.
Watching this LILM if it can get up through 2.
Through 2.
$10,000 10,000 shares sitting at 205. Not really. No shares sitting at 205. Don't listen to me.
I missed it, but that's all right. 320.
Let's go PDD to the moon and back.
BT, Mattel, Maserati, and Barbie join forces for an unprecedented collaboration. That's Mike Alpha Tango, MAT.
My eyeballs twitching. I think that means the market's starting to frustrate me.
ETD, the trade desk, shares seeing some session highs down 3%, but moving higher over the last few minutes.
Still watching EPIX?
TTD.
Yeah.
Up buttery nipples.
Dang, Jag. I'm gonna call along. I wasn't really seeing anything in there. Jag knows where things are gonna go. Are you in it?
Yep, 324.
Figured. Did it
All
long?
324?
Short 324.
I was being funny.
Def in.
You should have longed it if you knew it was going to 324.
I didn't know it was going 324.
You had a feeling, Jag. You had a feeling. Obey the thirst. Right, I'm quoting Sprite commercials now. Oh, my freaking eyeballs up twitching. It's annoying.
LILM, Lilium, and
You sound better today, Timmy.
Saudia announced
Dollar.
plan to bring electric air mobility to Saudi Arabia. That's Lima, India, Lima, Mike, LILM.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel a little better.
DBGI announces a 1-for-100 reverse stock split effective November 4th. It's Delta Bravo Golf India, DBGI.
I hate young Charlie, dude. I find him to be obnoxious. We went from sounding like utter shit to sounding pretty decent, so good thing. I just want to make $1 million.
Just add a couple zeros. You can get there.
It'd be easy to do, like in a day, right? Gotta mad ass some shit. Well, not like now mad ass. Ugh. And here we go. It's almost not an 8.
Alibaba
Feel like
shares
it's
seen some
falling.
session highs, moving above the $68 level.
Swear to God, every day.
Bravo,
And Charlie.
Bravo Alpha BABA.
Charlie 2.0 sounds like he has what I have.
He sounds a little sick too, doesn't he? I don't consider that guy
GNS
Charlie 2.0. I can
21K.
just make Charlie light. I think 2.0 reference is better than the OG. I like the OG more.
That's not true. Think of movies.
CSLA Tesla shares seeing session highs up 3%
It
at
doesn't 2.0, it doesn't
229.
mean like part 2.
Tego say the Lima Alpha TSLA.
Basically the same thing. And look at the versions of Windows over the years. Just because the number was higher didn't mean it was better.
I suppose that's true. You can become like Charlie in training.
Yeah,
Training
true.
Charlie.
MJ, I guess it's being a little bitch, huh?
Somebody called that shop earlier, didn't they?
I did, yeah.
Still moving.
Oh, yeah. Had a nice pullback, though.
I just set off a trigger for me for some reason up here. I don't know why.
What's your average, Jag?
330.
BA Boeing. Boeing's CEO says one of their problems is not demand.
So of course,
Says
right here.
Bookings.
I tried to get an ad at
every
350 and it didn't give it to
strong
me.
Except for China. Says that
It was too
they're not
fast.
anticipating or suggesting that supply chain world is going to get much better in the near term. Boeing CEO says we expect supply chain will continue to be challenging over the course of 2023, and says continue to de-risk on China, would still like to deliver airplanes. That's Bravo Alpha BA.
Down to 3 you go, bitch. Go, go.
LILMLNT.
Sounded like a country boy there, Tim. Here you go, biatch. I'm coming for you. And Saki and remember the ticker.
EPIX.
Apex. That was it. Apex. Not Apex.
This trade is going to be so epics.
Epics.
Let's go. Go,
Boeing
we did.
CEO says they're confident they can get an extension
I know
on
what
the
Jag's
Max
looking for.
10.
He just wants that break
Bravo
of this
Alpha.
25 area. Get it below that 9. Bitch is trying to ride it.
Yeah, the 9 came up in my average because I didn't get my ad. So
What's your average right here?
330.
Yeah, right here. Pain in the ass. Go, breakdown, bitch.
Ugh, I'm fading pretty quick today. Yesterday I didn't really start fading until the afternoon.
Come on, Apex. Breakdown. Do it for 2.
I have not slept
Scratch your back.
in like a week.
I recommend
This
you.
cough has prevented me from sleeping.
Don't you like that T-word? I know you do. There you go, Jag. I got it for you.
Break it.
Wing dollar.
That's right. Just go. Just go. Sometimes you gotta sweet talk. $2.90 incoming. Go.
I would like that.
Dollar.
I'd be happy with 310.
I like 290 better. 285
Wing
now.
question mark.
Oh, wait, 290 now. Sorry, it keeps fluctuating. Alright, try to retest 330. You can't do it. Now you
Dollar.
gotta- Bye. There you go. Almost 7 to 330. You're looking pretty good.
You can't wing if you don't post.
I am.
Really thought it was going to go there.
It's about to. But I'm predicting like 310.
330 one more time. Got my time and sales up, but it looks like it's sped up there, which is good.
What's the float on
Boeing
this
CEO
thing?
says
I don't know.
we feel
Two
good
shares.
about the
Two
turnaround.
shares.
It could be.
Bravo Alpha.
They have 2 shares available.
It's anywhere from 17 to 41.
So probably 20 somewhere, 20, 30.
Yeah, I'll go with like 30. I was just saying it's
And then we go
about to
in the middle,
rotate.
25, 30. It's not super low.
I really
not
like
super high.
where you're at though, because those volume candles at the top so far, they're pretty big. Good sign.
I just wish I could have got my ad at 350.
This thing's just being a pain in the dick though.
It's making me want to get out, but then it's going to cost me, but I don't like it.
Yeah.
Did you already get an ad up at 350?
It's gonna be stupid liquidity grabs.
Oh, fucking I keep switching, man.
My advice is for educational purposes only.
Mine are
PDD
trading
tight
secrets.
leash. No longer looks toppy to me.
Are you looking for golden key?
Look at the SPY.
No, I took this buy off to put epics on.
385. 50.
Damn, spy.
S&P 500
over-
futures moving
over the
a
high
little
from
higher
yesterday,
here,
huh?
above the 38.70
Little
level.
spiggity spy, man. That'd
Positive.
be nice if we got a
Yeah,
rebound
up
here. I'm not gonna
0.1%.
lie.
You watching PDD?
Yeah, I have it up. But that's different, man. Kinda going sideways like a motherfucker.
PDD cut.
For a long or for a short? Like, I don't even know what to look at.
I think it's 50-50, bro. That
Yeah,
nine's
I do
catching
too,
it the
man.
whole time. It's bounced off the nine all day, and
Yep,
I think it's a 50-50 either way.
I agree. That's why I'm not really that interested. One of those, I look at the chart and I'm like, I don't know what it's gonna do. Those don't normally make me want to trade them. If I had to bet, I'd say we're probably going higher. But I don't fucking know. Let me clear this.
It's one of those ones I would be long buys on it, and
Yeah, me too.
tight stop 52.70 somewhere's up in there, and go with it. You know, you're green on the day, so that changes everything.
Let's see. trying to get something going on it.
Get the cray cray.
Still up?
More comments from
going?
Boeing.
Up through the highs
Boeing
yesterday.
says operational financial performance should
Yeah.
continue to improve in 2023. Says acceleration will not be as significant as previously anticipated. Boeing executive says path to recovery is taking a bit longer than expected, driven by a challenging macro.
Could you imagine we
environment.
get back up to
Boeing
400 again?
executive says commercial market
People
recovery
really
is
start
playing out better
questioning
than
shit.
Well, we're
expected.
gonna eventually. I mean,
And
let's face
Boeing
it.
says we still see overall.
Well, I know, but
passenger
people are
traffic
still saying we're
returning
going to go down
2019
to
levels
300 first,
in the
but
2023 to 2024.
it's crazy to think if we
timeframe.
get the 400, we'd still get down to 300. I just think it's funny that the only thing Biden seems to give a shit about is this stupid AR banning and the max capacity of handguns, and it seems to be the only thing he gives a shit about. He don't seem to care about inflation and other shit.
No, well, because he can't.
Boeing shares pulling
can't
back
win
here
that.
on some of those more recent comments,
Well,
pulling
I would
below
care
the
more
150
about
level.
inflation, but I didn't cause it. Trump did,
Up
so
1.3%.
blame him.
Yeah.
For Bravo Alpha BA.
Yeah.
I haven't listened to Biden say anything in so long that I don't really know what he's doing or standing for or standing against, because
I only
choose
see the
not to
clips.
care.
The clips that people post on YouTube.
I don't even see that shit. I literally just scroll by.
PCBX taking off again.
PCBX session. I think that one, dude, I'd almost be waiting for a scary push. Nobody's in it, right?
Yeah, no, not yet.
And I could kind of see like a intense push out of that thing.
Oh, I accidentally went and looked at the daily again. That's useless.
This thing isn't a low float, is it? Wouldn't think so, but you never know. You see, it'd be 40 million-ish.
Do you remember how you held me thin? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my
Stage of vaccine.
to keep you, to keep you. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and
Pneumonia tab. Interesting. That's what it moved on. I guess that first day when it really moved was they have an experimental pneumonia jab. Go Spy, go, man. Jake, you still in that one, man?
Yep.
I don't know where it's at.
It's about to die.
Nice patience, Jack.
Yeah, we'll see how it works out. Good.
Jake's like, I'm not feeling so nice on this one.
Either way, dude, that's fucking patience, dude.
Oh, dude, this thing's been fucking just trading sideways, choppity chop, huh? Is your average still the same exact spot?
Yeah. Never got up high enough for me to add.
Waiting, huh?
do you remember how you held me thin? Now you got me reaching
That's the one we didn't have shorts on, right, guys?
Yeah, it's HTV.
Just die, you fucker.
This is Sparta.
This guy's creating some of these super fucking grinders. That's always fun.
This thing is killing me.
Here we go. Wee! Go, bitch!
Did you go wee, or is Thomas just being helpful?
He's trying to be helpful, but it looks like it wants to. But now it doesn't.
And the second it starts to go wee, they start to
I like
light
it.
up.
I like it. That bitch starting to get jumpy right there. They starting to get nervous. That bitch is going weak.
That is a good sign.
Yeah,
It speeds
people
up like
people
that.
getting nervous. People were like, it made a
Buyers
lower
being
high.
risky, sellers being more aggressive.
It made a lower high, and
I
if
would
it breaks
call that one
25,
above 330 goes up, below
ah.
320 goes down at this point. 332 or so.
What a pain in the ass, though. This thing was just like sideways.
It's cheap, dude. Everybody's interested in it. It shit gets annoying, and it's fucking crowded as fuck with 33 million shares shorted. Oh, dude, that's rotated as float.
I just said that like 10 minutes ago.
No, I didn't hear you say that one. I just noticed how many shares it fucking traded in that bitch. Did you get out of it, Jake?
No.
I'm gonna assume
Way
your
too
stop
long.
is what, 45?
Yep.
I don't think it's gonna get up. Nope.
IBK.
No.
I'm gonna go with the safe answer, YouTube. I don't know what this is gonna do.
I really thought it was going to die there.
Yeah, I mean, it looked like it was going to. Sending triangles, man, they always work.
Yeah.
Zoink.
I mean, you don't get much more of a descending triangle than that.
For this.
It's gonna be over.
AR and ACI,
In my repertoire.
Senators Warren and Sanders are urging the FTC to oppose the Kroger-Albertsons deal.
What is that, Albertson sticker?
I'll be back.
All right, Jack.
Sorry, man.
That was a pretty frustrating one. I really thought that was gonna die too.
Too heavy in that.
It sounded like he only got one ad.
No, we didn't get an ad, did he? Thought he only
He had to get one because his first entry was lower, and then his average was higher. Yeah, he's gonna be so mad that I called this so perfectly. It was such an obvious.
Jack, don't come back. Don't come back.
I was
Jack,
still
don't
in.
come back.
I was
Are
at
you
the.
still in?
I actually made some money on it.
Nice.
Oh, God.
So you broke your
Jack,
rules.
Come back. Stay away.
Wait, what?
So you broke your rules and it worked. Nice.
Yeah.
You bad
He goes,
boy.
"Nice."
You bad boy.
Yeah, I just posted it.
Tim,
Oh,
dude,
you
rules
added
don't
instead of
matter,
cutting.
bro.
You bad boy.
Dude.
You bad boy. It was so obvious that they were doing that, I
He was gonna
swear.
fuck me, and then it goes down. So I said, you know what? I'll give it a shot.
You heard
were
me say it
leaving us,
earlier.
so you were leaving us to not hear any opinions. I know how that one goes. You're like, I'm fucking out of here. I'm gonna trade this mayor.
I even said it on that
Doing that
first
one.
little move back up. I was like, I bet you this is a liquidity grab.
Nice jaggedy, jaggedy,
LOLEPIX.
jaggedy, jag.
So typical lately.
Ooh, boy, I love you.
Hey,
so.
retail. Hey, retail, we're going higher. Come get it. Come get it.
I just wish
Never, ever gonna let you go.
you had to jump because I would have covered under 320.
So you actually ended up making decent money on that because you got to add too. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. You bad
Jag
boy.
is now retiring, dude. He's fucking done. It's over.
And a lot faster than I anticipated.
Jag just made his first million on EPIX.
Now I gotta go help with lunch. I'll be right back.
EPIX
I'm
shares
brother.
moving lower here.
Uh-oh. Charlie Jr.'s even saying shares are moving lower. Oh my god, $2.85. He's gone, actually. I think PCVX is going to rippity-rip.
White House says that the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau action eliminates billions of dollars in banking fees.
Dude, I can't stand how much this momentum dies down so early lately.
Yep. Alright guys, I'm actually gonna
Already
cut the
starting to
stream.
get that
I'm starting to
feeling like
fade.
That's probably all we
I'm gonna
got.
try to get a couple things done. I'm gonna go try to take a nap. I feel like I'm on the back end of this thing, so that's good, but at the same time, I still need to try to rest. And I feel like this cough is finally subsiding enough to where I can maybe actually sleep. So that sounds fun. Appreciate you all being here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put out a recap video or not. I didn't yesterday. I was just completely out of it. I may or may not. I mean, it's just this one trade, but we'll see. Until either that or tomorrow morning, I'll see you. Stay safe. Peace.
What's today, guys? Wednesday.
What was that?
I was trying to remember what day it was.
Wednesday, the 26th.
Got it.